What can people do to be more efficient at designing mass timber buildings?
Setting up the grid, like the structural grid, is something different than you would do on a steel or concrete building. Architects, a lot of times, they're in a rhythm, right? It's like I've designed steel buildings for 30 years. You know your grids, you know roughly where everything's going to go. Mass timber is different. Another big one we've run into is about municipalities. And we expose all the wood in the building, which isn't technically allowed by the building code. Each municipality you have to work with very early on to make sure that they're basically okay with doing mass timber and what they're going to require. A municipality will request, let's say, bigger beams and columns to allow for that additional charge. Even though we've gone through the testing, they're just not familiar with it and they're concerned. So they're just like, just add a little bit more thickness, which has a huge impact on the design of the building. So making sure that you're in that door really early is super important. The last thing I'll mention is just about protection on site. And if those mass timber beams and everything get wet, you can have months of delay just from drying that stuff out.